Trading Forex on Questrade involves using the platform's tools and features to buy and sell currency pairs. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Questrade account. Visit Questrade's website or open the mobile app and log in with your credentials. Ensure Forex trading access. Questrade primarily offers Forex trading through its advanced trading platform, Questrade Edge. Ensure you have access to this platform by having an appropriate account type, typically a margin account. Open Questrade Edge. Access the Questrade Edge platform, which provides advanced tools for Forex trading. You can download the software or use the web-based version. Select a currency pair. In the Questrade Edge platform, navigate to the Forex section. Choose from a list of available currency pairs. Place a trade. Click on the currency pair you want to trade. Choose your order type, enter the amount you wish to trade, and review the details. Market order executes the trade at the current market price. Limit order executes at the specific price you set. Monitor and manage. After placing your trade, monitor it using real-time charts and tools. You can adjust or close your position as needed. Review and analyze. Use the platform's analytics tools to review your trades and make informed decisions.